gumagulo yung baboy. Thankful, di gumagulo yung baboy. Okay, ngayon dalawa na kayo dyan. Oh! So okay guys, ngayon maglalaro naman tayo ng isang horror game. Pero ito ay sinuggest ng isa nating manonood. So ito siya nag-comment sa akin channel. Ayan. So try ko daw yung Five Nights at Maggies. So try na natin. So ayan na, na-download ko na siya. So ano ba bang hinihintay natin? Simulan natin to. Asa na naman mag-enjoy sa video na to. So yun lang. So simulan na natin to. Ayan yung game. Ay. Maggies Magical World. Magical World nga ba? Magical World nga ba? Night 1. Okay, night 1. Okay. Okay. Ano to? May tumatawag. Paano sagutin niyo? Ay, mute the call to. Mute tuloy yung call. 1. Ato 7. Okay, so ayan. Hindi natin siya pwede i-click. So, yung mga ay, tayo. Okay. Putik na yung security doors. Ang cute na ito. Ang cute na na. Ayos yan ba yan? Ayos yan. Ano dito? So far, di pa sila gumagalaw. Siyempre. Ano to? So may magtatago. So may dito ba tayo magtatago? Or may dadaan dito na parang creepy na stuff. So, 1, 3. Okay, so far so good. Wala pang mga kupal na maano dito. Okay. Wow, so hindi siya na ano. Okay, tama na. Take na yun. Okay, parang may nawala. 1, 2. Okay. So far so good. Wala pa naman gumagalaw sa kanila. So ito ay isang pig. Ito ay isang cat. Ito ay cow. Ito ay monkey. Tapos ito ay fox maybe, or something like that. So, tapos mayroon pa nakita to sa Camp 5 nga ba yun? Ito siguro yung fox. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Okay. Okay, ano na tayo, 2 AM na tayo. Okay, so far wala pa naman. Hindi naman siya na totally nakakaano. Okay. Goods pa naman. Wala pa namang mga ano na nangyayari sa buhay-buhay natin ngayon bilang sa security guard. Security guard na naman tayo for today's video. So tayo ko din na rin yung so maglalaro pa din ako ng Jollibee Phase 2 maybe soon, kasi ang hirap talaga nun hirap laruin na try ko laruin kung kaya ko. Hey, tama, check lang tayo ng mga ano dito, baka maya kasi. Okay, go 1. Wala pa rin gumagalaw sa kanila. That's good. Okay. Hoy, hilig na. Okay. Wala pa rin gumagalaw sa kanila. Mag 3 hours na lang. Ano na, galaw-galaw naman. Galaw-galaw naman po. Wala. Okay. Inom muna tayo tubig. So mayroon akong bagong schedule ngayon. So bale dalawang araw is sa isang araw dalawa re-record ko. Para yung isang video na yun is stop. Yung isang video na yun is i-edit ko siya ngayon. And yung isang video is bukas. Tapos upload agad. Uy! So no. Okay, may nawala na. Oh no. Ayan na nga. Isimula na sila. So hindi siya fox, man. Isa siyang dog. Okay. Ito ba yan to? So malayo pa naman siya. Ay! Ginata. Nawala. Nawala. Napindot ko yung back. Oh no. Buti natakot ako. Buti may baboy kasi nag-jump scared. Buti yung... Oh no. Ulit na naman tayo. I'm serious right now, man. Potek kasi yan. May baboy kasi na umano. Putik na yan. Nala. Put your mouse. Ano daw? Ito answer. E. Ayun.
Hey,
Hello.
welcome to your job.
Yeah, welcome.
I'm recording
Thank you.
these tapes to help you get settled on your first nights.
Okay.
I'm guessing you'll be replacing me after I quit this job in about a week.
Bakit?
I'm gonna warn you, this place is a nightmare. I don't really
Nightmare?
like it here, but
Ba't nyo
well,
ko pinano dito? Kung
anyway,
nightmare to, ba't
let's
nyo
start
ko
with the basics.
dinala dito?
So as you can see, you have a computer in front of you with the
Okay.
camera system.
Yeah.
To change the cameras, just use the numbers on your keyboard.
Oh.
Behind you, you have the main hallway and a security door. To close it, just hold the button. And then under the desk, you have the vent system.
Yung bed nga dito.
I will explain later why you need to use that. Now, there are a lot of things happening in this place at night, mainly involving the animatronic characters. You see, they tend to move for some reason. I asked the company about it, and they just told me it has something to do with their security systems malfunctioning. I don't really know, and I
Malfunctioning,
don't really
maybe?
believe that
Something?
either. You might
Malfunctioning nga
have
ba?
already heard the stories and stuff from this place. A lot of people saying the spirit of the owner is haunting the place because, well, he died here.
Oh.
Guessing you know all of this, or at least I'm...
May namatay dito.
Anyway, going back to the animatronics, there are
Okay.
5 of them on the stage. You know, Maggie, Chaunchi, Lola, Hank, and Flower. And then there's that other one in parts and services, but we'll talk about him later. So let's start with Maggie and Lola, you know,
Okay.
the yellow cat and the orange dog.
Ito, tsaka to.
So they'll
Okay,
try to go to your office, and
Okay.
they'll try to get in through the hallway behind you. When you see them close to you, just close the door, and they'll eventually go away.
Okay, gets,
Now for Chaunchi the pig, you'll
Asan? Eto,
see him staring right at the camera. Whenever you see him, just change the camera really fast, and you'll be okay.
Okay.
If you don't change it fast enough, though, he will start running towards you. If the camera stopped working after you saw him, then just turn around, check if he's in the hallway, and if he is there, close the door as fast as you can. That
Okay.
should be all for tonight. You don't have to worry about the others yet. Well, see ya, and good
Paano
luck.
yung unggoy, men? Tsaka tong, ano na to, cow. Paano yun? Ba't di mo sinabi? Tsaka yung isa pa nasa 4? Yung nasa, ano ka mo? Sa 3? Ito, tong fax na to. Ba't di mo sinabi sa akin? Ay, damn serious. Okay na sana yung kanina eh. Tignan kasi, napindot ko kasi. Puti na kasi yung baboy yan eh. Lumitaw eh. Sat na. Kinabahan tuloy ako. Dito sa skin. Tapos napindot ko yung ano, yung ESK button dito sa ano. Escape button ba to? Wala pang umagalaw sa kanila. Maya pang alas ano, 3 AM. Bantayan lang natin to. Bantayan lang natin sila. Okay. Subukan nyo gumalaw. Yari kayo sa akin. Okay, so far so good. Wala pa namang kupal na ano dito. Okay. Practice tayo ng bagay na mabilisan. Okay. Practice ulit to. Tanga-tanga. Oh, galing. Okay. Okay, wala na nga tong lintik na cow na to. Ay, cow itong dog na to. Hi, dog. Okay, 5. Yung baboy na to, kang gagalaw, ah. Okay. Hi! Kamusta ka? Hello? Okay, naklasan natin yung door. Okay, ngayon. So ayaw pa niya umalis doon. Mukhang... Okay, nawala na siya. Andiyan ka na naman! Andiyan ka na naman sa paking paningin. Okay, kuwente na. Please go back. Please. Can you go back na? Can you go back? Please. Please, can you go back to your place? Please. Please, can you go back? Please. Hindi pa gumagalo yung baboy. Thankful, di gumagalo yung baboy. Okay, ngayon dalawa na kayo dyan. Oh no, oy. Oh no, shit. Oh no. Yung baboy, wait. Asa na baboy? Wait. Oh. Alis ka na, boy. Alis ka na po. Please. Please, alis ka na po. Oh no. Okay, this is getting interesting na po. Oh no. Alis. Isang ano na lang, oh. Isang oras na lang, oh. Oh. Ayaw pa niya umalis doon. Okay. Ayaw pa niya umalis doon kasi alam na magsi 6 minutes na, magsi 6 hours na, magsi 6 AM na. Ayaw pa niya umalis. Umalis ka na! Umalis ka na nga, boy. Okay, night shift. Night shift. Okay. Woo! Okay, night complete. Thank you. Okay, night na agad to. Okay, may clip na tape. Okay, may isang clip dito, okay? May 25, 1978. Okay. What's that? Ano yun? Parang kinakatay doon sa may gilid. Ano yung nakatay ba? Okay. May nakatay doon. Oh. Okay. Sleepy. Okay. Tumadyo! Seryoso ka doon? Okay. Oh, okay. So, may night to pa. So, sa next episode natin lalagay niya, syempre. So, dito manahinto yung... Uy, wait lang, nag-outro naman ako, kumalma ka lang. Diyan, chill ka lang dyan. So, dito manahinto yung video at sana naman nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. And share na din yung video, subscribe and like. So, yun lang. So, abangan niyo yung part 2 nito. So, paalam!